What's up, everybody? Brad at Proformance Unlimited. Today on the dyno we have a Ford 408 Windsor, and as always, these are nice stump pullers. Made some amazing torque as always, and it's got custom painted purple with a CVF full boat kit on it. Has a Holley 750 double pump carburetor on it. Has a MSD Pro Build distributor in it, and all the good stuff. If you want anything on any of our products, give us a call. We'll build you something quite amazing. Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Hey Trey, this is your 68 Ford Bronco engine here. Happens to be one of our Ford 408 Windsors. Gonna fire it up and give you a run demo. Runs beautiful.